Find the probability that x is greater than this term here, well, terms. For this kind of function, this is known as the survival function, or alternatively, we might learn it as 1 minus the cumulative distribution. Let's just recap, yeah? When you have probability x greater than something, recap that it's the same as 1 minus fx. Why? Because fx, at least the cumulative version, equals x less than equal x. It's the probability of the cumulative distribution. Okay, so this is something we need to know by heart, this form. So again, greater means 1 minus that form. That's all. So if we're doing that, then what we could do, so what I did here is I just said, okay, let's replace, let me just tie this up a bit, make it all over 3, because you can actually do that, and it looks a bit nicer that way. And I decided to insert this into the fx formula equation. So it's essentially 1 minus the cumulative at the point given. Pop this into the general equation here, so you get 1 minus that value here into the general equation, and just tidy up a bit. So those are quick algebra. My advice, when you got a fraction and a fraction, times up and down by that value underneath. So you got 3, then just times up and down by 3. So you should get b plus 2a minus 3a. And of course, you times 3 to the bottom, so it looks like that. And now just tidy up the top line. If you tidy up, you get b minus a, and then these two values cancel out, so you get a third. So 1 minus the third is 2/3. Very, very easy, I think. Seriously, number 7 is such a blessing, guys. It is truly a blessing.